Hello everyone, it's just a dad. Today I'm going to do an unboxing on this JJC MSG P1 series magnetic phone grip. So I'm going to put this on my iPhone 13 Pro Max, but it doesn't come with the iPhone. Here we have everything that comes in the box. It does come with a USB-C to USB cable. Here's the actual device. We got two types of lanyards we can use. This is kind of like one that goes around your wrist, kind of a soft plastic. Now, if you don't have an Apple phone, you can attach, if you have an older Apple phone that doesn't have MagSafe. So iPhone 12, 13, 14, 15, and on up have MagSafe, which I'll demonstrate for you. But if you have a Samsung phone or another type of phone, you can stick this magnetic ring onto your case or the phone, and then this will work with it. So here we have the device. Now you will have to charge. This is the remote. So you're going to lift this little remote up. There's the USB-C port. So you have to plug this USB-C cable in. It goes in either way, but you will have to find a wall charger for USB. And so when you plug this in, you're going to charge it. That's going to charge that little remote. Now it does come with a little bit of charge, so you can use it right out of the box, but that's held in with like a magnet. So there's the magnet side also. So here we have an iPhone 13 Pro Max. It has MagSafe and it has a MagSafe case. You don't have to use it with a case, so let's take the case off. This will stick to it, so the magnetic is built into the iPhone. So it will stick to the iPhone by itself, but you have to have a case that is MagSafe, so that lets the magnetism goes through the case. If you have too much material between the phone and this, it won't stick to it. So now with the case, it sticks to it, and I can rotate it for doing these type of shots, vertical shots, or I can do horizontal shots. It also acts like a little selfie stand, so I can separate this. There's a hinge here, and I can set it like this. I can grab the remote, and I can use the remote separately. But we got to pair the remote with Bluetooth, and that's what we're going to do. Again, I could put it like this even for a selfie. But on your iPhone, go to your Bluetooth settings and put it in pairing mode. When you go to the Bluetooth settings, it'll be searching for different Bluetooth devices. And what you're going to do so put your phone in Bluetooth pairing, then you're going to come to the device. You're going to hold it it's in an off state. You have to turn it on. Hold it for about 3 seconds. That light's going to kind of blink at you a little bit blue. All right, it's going to be in pairing mode. Select MSG remote on your iPhone and pair it. Now, once it's paired once, when you turn this off and turn it back on, the remote, the iPhone will pair with it every time. You don't have to pair it each time. But I do have to turn this remote off when I'm done. So now that I have it paired with my iPhone, go to your camera app and let's take some photos with it. And so again, once I have this remote paired, it will take a picture now. See, when I press the button, it takes a picture. It even does video. So I can start the video by pressing this button and stop. Now the really neat thing is when it's installed in this grip. This acts like a camera grip. So let's take, and again, you could put it sticks really, really well. There, kind of finds the spot. And now I can act like a camera. I can hold it. It's got like a little grip for my hand, a little area, and then I can press a button. Start and stop. Let's do photo. Take a picture. Take a picture. Then we can rotate it. We can do vertical shots. Sticks out a little bit. Maybe that's a little bit nicer even. Now again, this is held on with a magnet. Now it is pretty tight. You know, it will come off if you bump it quite a bit, but again, take a picture. I could do selfie. I could turn the camera around, do selfie shots. And again, I can take the remote out, set this somewhere, and now I have a remote control. So this is pretty neat. Overall product dimensions right around 4 1/4. The magnetic part's about 2 1/4 by 2 1/2. Sticks out from the phone roughly 1 inch. And the grip is about 3 inches. Now it does come with 1/4 You can put this in like a tripod. Again, this rotates. There's even a little mirror there. So again, here's what it looks like. Seems very well constructed, nice. Again, you have to connect. It doesn't connect this way. You connect it this way. Now when I'm all done, I don't have to take the remote out, but I do need to turn it off. So I'm going to press it for about 3 seconds and that light goes out and I let up on it too. Now when I want to turn it on, press it, hold it down. The light's going to kind of like flicker a little bit. That means it's on, let go. Once I've paired it once with this phone, it'll pair each time. If I want to pair it with a different phone, I'll just hold that button down for about 4 or 5 seconds and it puts the remote in pairing mode. So again, let's turn it off. There. I really do like this camera mount. I hope this video helps. Thanks everybody for watching.